In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member from Zendesk. This is really useful if someone has left your company, changed roles, or simply no longer needs admin access to your Zendesk account. I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own dashboard. First, start by logging into your Zendesk support dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that panel, you'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings or admin configuration. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, Zendesk will open the settings area, usually loading a new page or view dedicated to your account configuration. Next, we're going to find the team member you want to remove. Still on the left-hand side, in the settings area, look for the option labeled People. Click on People to expand it. When it expands, you'll see an option called Team Members. Click on Team Members, and you should now see a list of all users in your account who are set up as team members, including admins, agents, and other roles. From this list, locate the admin team member you want to delete. Take your time here to make sure you're choosing the correct person, because deleting a user will remove their access and can affect ticket ownership and reporting. Once you've found the right admin, click on their name. This will open that person's profile or information page. On the admin's information page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option that says Manage in Support. Click on Manage in Support. This will open their profile within the main support interface, where you can manage their permissions and account status. Now, in the support interface, look again towards the top right area of the screen. You'll see the plus new ticket button, which you might recognize from creating new tickets. Just to the right of that button, there's a small downward pointing arrow. Click on that arrow to open a drop-down menu of options related to this user. From the drop-down options, select Delete. When you click Delete, Zendesk will display a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to remove this admin team member. Read the confirmation message carefully, and if you're sure you've selected the correct user, click Confirm. Once you confirm, Zendesk will delete that admin team member from your account, and they will no longer have access.